you go, folks. Nice big storm we had last night. Wanted to show you the trees over here in Windham, Vermont. Check out how awesome the pine trees look with all the snow. Looks like a nice Merry Christmas. Look at that, so awesome. Yeah, had a lot of snow. Like 20 inches up here, almost 2 feet of snow. Trees are just hanging everywhere. It's just awesome how it just sticks to the trees. Don't forget, folks, Sunday we'll be snow wheeling the Sucker Pond. I got the new Super Swampers on the Black Taco, so stay tuned for that. See how gorgeous it is here. So we're up in the mountains of Vermont, Windham, Vermont. It got pounded. Just thought I'd share it with everyone. See how much snow they got. Pine trees are so cool. Look at that, just hanging out there. Alright, just a little short one. About a 2-minute video. I'll keep it going for you, those of you that enjoy the nice pine trees. Yep, gotta have studded snow tires here in Vermont, folks, or you're not going anywhere. That's awesome up there. Look at, I don't know if you can see way up there. There's a row of trees up there. Yeah, it's hard to see. Alright, there's a bunch of pine trees up there. Oh, I might be able to see it if we get down the bottom here. Maybe not. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. Snowstorm in Vermont.